In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. I change font size on every single device I'm recording because it makes it really easier on my eyes and for you to see exactly what I'm showing. So if you want to change font size on this OPPO, I will show you exactly how to do it. No tricks or special apps. Just go into settings, tap on display and brightness, and scroll down a tiny bit to hit font. Lastly, operate this slider to adjust it and check out preview at the top. To save your changes, hit apply button and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!